Hello students, we are going to learn construction practice lab. In construction practice lab, experiment number 16, waterproofing for a roof and crack inhibition methods grouting in building. Okay, so terrace is the most segment of a building and it is exposed to direct climatic variations, extremes of rainfall and structural movements caused thereby. So very effort should be taken at the design stage itself to ensure that a proper protection system has been incorporated. It has often been found that the economic solution is not always the best solution. So the system which ensures maximum protection should be selected, even though it may cost little more. Okay. So procedure. First, waterproofing for a roof. So first step is clean the roof. In order to successfully seal the roof, first clean surface. Use a push broom and dustpan to remove any dirt or debris. It should be done carefully as anything left. Okay. Second step, carry out minor repairs. Concrete can crack and procedure leak just like any other roofing material, but it is for lazier to repair than has our prime spots for water to erode the concrete further. Therefore, inspect the entire surface for any damage, mark of any areas that are found with making tape, so they are easy to find again. Then use silicone chalk in a chalking gun to fill in the crack. Break or holes. Use the putty knife to smooth out the cement as well as to push it further into the area. Okay. So third step is use seam tape. Priming actually helps in the waterproofing process, but before it covers any seams in the concrete, with seam tape it possible use a single piece wherever possible and make sure it is entered over the seam with you put it down. Step 4, coat with primer. Next, apply coat of a concrete primer to the entire roof. Start at one end and point into a corner. Then switch to a paintbrush to finish. Wait for the primer coat to dry completely. Okay. So step 5 is spray on a vapor barrier. Pour the vapor barrier into a paint. Spray after the primer is dry and liberally spray on even coat into the concrete roof. Overlap the previous line vapor barrier to dry before you add a second coat. So procedure number 2, grouting procedure for a repair of a crack in concrete structures. Holes are drilled in structure along cracks and in and around hollow spots. If there are several cracks, holes can be drilled in a staged manner at 500 to 750 mm spacing in both directions, covering adequately the area proposed to be grouted holes. Spacing can be altered as per site condition. GI pipes 12 to 20 mm dia into 200 mm with one and trotted or PVC nozzles are fixed in the holes with rich cement mortar. All the cracks and annular space around GI pipes are filled with rich cement mortar. Like the cracks are cut open to a V-shaped groove, cleaned and sealed with rich mortar of a cement. All the groove holes should be fluid with water using the same equipment. A day before grouting as per following sequence so as to saturate the masonry. So here it is the concrete repair. For a grouting, drilling and plugging, expory injection, switching method. Okay. So all holes are first plugged with a proper wooden routing or locked in the case of PVC nozzles. The bottommost plug and the two adjacent plugs are removed above or restored. When the clear water comes out through the adjacent holes, the injection of water is stopped and the plug in the bottommost holes and the one immediately above are restored. The process of grouting of a concrete cracks is repeated with other holes till all the holes and covered on the day of a grouting. All the plugs are removed to drain out excess water and restored before commencing grouting. The same sequence as described above is adopted for injection. The cement grout also, the grout is kept fully stirred under pressure through the grouting. The grouting is carried out till refuse and or till grout starts. Following from the adjacent holes, a proper record of the quantity of ground injected into every hole. Every hole should be maintained. After grouting, curing should be done for 14 days till are provided for checking the effectiveness of a grouting. Only such quantities of materials for preparing grout should be used as can be used within 15 minutes of a mixing grouting. Equipment must be cleaned thoroughly after use. Okay, so hope you like this video, student. So thank you.